Over the years, I've thrown away countless worn-out drill bits. Then I got this mini belt grinder. I built this jig for it, and after some practice, I could sharpen drill bits. The tip of a drill bit needs to be at a 118-degree angle. That means I have to make a jig with 44-degree angle. Next, I designed the jig in a CAD program and printed it with a 3D printer. You can also make one from wood or metal, whatever you have. But for me, 3D printing was the easiest option. The process goes like this. First you make a prototype and improve the design step by step until you have the final version. The challenge is making a jig that stays firmly in place but is still easy to remove. I used PETG plastic for printing because it doesn't melt easily if the drill bit gets hot during sharpening. There are 3 rules for sharpening drill bits. First, the cutting edge must be at the correct angle. Second, the cutting edge should be slightly higher than the rest of the tip. Third, the tip must be symmetrical. Also, you'll need a speed controller for the grinder. Without it, the belt will eat small drill bits too quickly. You can get a small PWM controller for just a couple of dollars. The correct angle comes from the jig, but raising the cutting edge slightly is done by hand. At the end of sharpening, rotate the drill bit slightly and grind the rear edge a bit lower. You can also slightly turn the bit toward the end of sharpening. With practice and experimentation, you learn what works best for you. The main idea is to keep the cutting edge slightly higher than the rest of the tip. Especially at the beginning, you'll need a magnifying glass. Later you can sharpen by feel, even if you don't see the edge clearly. Don't worry if your edge doesn't look like a factory grind. What matters is that it can drill holes. Test your bit and improve your technique over time. Remember, the jig won't do all the work. You'll also need some skill and practice. If you enjoyed the video, please hit the like button and subscribe. Thanks for watching.